was emotional trauma, there was demotivation. I really felt like I would definitely become a patient, forget about being a doctor. In my 12th, that is board that occurred twice, and first for that theory, no, first was for MCQ and second was for theory. Okay, done. And I scored something like 91% in my 12th boards. And after this, I decided to take a drop. As I'm a PCB student, so I decided to take a drop for NEET. I wanted to be a doctor, of course. For the first year, like that was my first drop, and I was really confident. But to be honest, I didn't realize that like in 2022 I have taken drop, and 2023 I had to appear for my exam. I had not completed the whole syllabus. I could not complete it because my concepts were not too much clear in my 11th standard. Like in 11th also the exams happened, but only a few chapters due to COVID. So my concepts were not really clear. So my syllabus got completed just before a month of exam. I didn't have any confidence, nothing. But I appeared for the exam and scored something like 400. Okay, I have decided to take my second drop. Okay, so in my second drop, like I was confident, yes, I would do it. I've just avoided all my family function. There was no enjoyment, no friends, nothing. There was only study. I used to study online, staying at one place, and okay, everything was just going on. And then in 2024, I appeared for the exam, but the cutoff went so high that I could not get any MBBS seat at that year. And then I thought like, okay, let's take another drop. What will happen? I have completed my whole syllabus. I will just do practice. I will just give my mock test and I will do it. And I did it. I had to get my third drop, of course. But that was the worst year. Because of continuously staying at one place and studying, and there was very less movement of my body, I got cramps in my whole body. I felt like I become a physically challenged person. I wasn't able to walk properly. And I didn't really realize that when my dream became my parents' dream. They had a lot of hope they had a lot of hopes. And there was like I had an emotional trauma. I was losing my motivation. But still, I was confident. And I appeared for the boards, and it was like I still remember when I appeared during the exam hall. I have taken more than 1 hour in just solving biology paper, and just because of that I have lost my motivation in that. But like even after knowing the answers, I was not able to solve it. This happened with me, and after the exam, after leaving the exam hall, I had lost it all my motivation. There was emotional trauma, and I felt like if I would take any other drop, I'll definitely become a patient, forget about being a doctor. And even my parents had always supported me. They have always supported me. They have always with me. Like they have always supported all my decisions. That whatever I want to do, they are with me. They have motivated me to take another drop. Like even if I say I was ready to take drop, my mind and my body was not ready for this. There was so much of things that was going on in my mind. I used to cry for nothing with no reason. Like I used to ask to God that why it is happening with me. Why it's all like I have given my 3 years and all this happening with me. Like I have never expected this, that my life will turn like this. And then I decided that this is not made for me. No, I can't do this. This is not made for me. And then I have taken admission in PPT and I got a government. I have taken admission in a government college, Dipsar, and right now I am doing my PPT. And this is my story of NEET. And sometimes I really regret of taking those drops. I feel like I have wasted my 3 years. Nothing happened, but only regret left.